Hey guys, this is Orkodip Khashnavish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. Today I'm back again on YouTube with another new video, and today's video is going to be an interesting and entertaining video because in today's video I'm going to show the difference between normal exams and online exams. Normal exam means offline exams where you have to go to school and write down everything sitting in front of an exam invigilator. And online exam, yes, this is something which never took place before. Just after the pandemic situation, schools are forced to take online exam just because of the situation of the country. So I don't want to blabber a lot of things, so without wasting much time, let's get started. But before that, if you all haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and family and colleagues, and also don't forget to press the thumbs button. It would really mean a lot to me. So I don't want to waste any more time. Let's start. Exam is something which I really not liked, and it is one of the things which I hate the most. So I don't know, tomorrow is my English literature exam. पता नहीं क्या होगा. I haven't studied properly anything. लेकिन फिर भी मुझे एग्ज़ाम देने होंगे, नहीं तो मेरे घर वाले मुझे नहीं छोड़ेंगे. और अगर फेल कर गया, then I don't know what will be my status in the house, or what will be the consequences of not giving an exam or failing in an exam. So without wasting much time, let me pack up my bag. क्या पैक करूँ? पहले पेंसिल बॉक्स से पैक कर लेता हूँ. सब पेन्स है, ये स्टेपलर भी ले लेता हूँ, इसके अंदर काम आ जाएगा. और सब चेक कर लेता हूँ एक बार. ओके, ऑल गुड, ऑल फाइन. ओके, पेंसिल बॉक्स डन. बुक तो लेने ही होंगे, और ये नोटपैड में सर ने कुछ नोट्स दिए थे, पता नहीं क्या होंगे, देखते हैं. सब पैक कर लेता हूँ और देखते हैं. God, please save me. I need your help. So online exam. ये ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम में एग्जैक्टली कुछ पैकिंग वैकिंग करने पड़ता है या नहीं? Like packing necessary है इसके लिए. Like as in offline exam we need to pack our bags and pack all the belongings and then go to school and give the exam. But in online exam you don't need to go to the school. So I'm really lucky and thankful to this pandemic for giving me a chance to give the exam online. And tomorrow is English exam, and I don't know, so there is nothing necessary for packing. Only these three things are necessary. That also this phone, I will use this phone for attending the Google class meeting and give the exam. This phone will help me to search the answers in Google, and this book will always, like, this book is necessary because here everything is written. So yeah, let's see what happens in the online exam. Hoping for the best, fingers crossed.
A very good morning, one and all present here.
Good morning, sir.
So today you students have English literature exam, right? And today I am the invigilator of your exam, Mr. Azhar Ahmed. So,
Sir, I have one question. Sir, when will we get our question paper?
why are you in such a hurry, huh? The question paper you will get on time. Don't be so much tense and worried. Just concentrate on your studies. Always concentrating on something else.
Sorry, sir. Okay.
एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछने से कैसे रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, देखो कैसे इन्विजिलेटर है.
A very good morning, all the students present here.
Good morning, sir.
So today you all have English literature online exam, right? Yes. So today I am your invigilator for the exam, and my name is Steven Fernandez. So
Sir, when will be the question paper uploaded in Google Classroom?
you will get the question paper on proper time. Have some patience and revise what you have studied.
Sorry, sir. Okay.
So students, before starting the exam, I would like to warn everyone something. if you all are having any kind of cheats or any kind of paper or dishonest means, please throw them out, otherwise you will be in trouble if I catch you. Your whole paper will be cancelled or you may be penalized very badly for using dishonest means. So please, if you have anything, throw them out. Everybody will look at your own paper during the exam. Nobody will turn back. If you want to ask anything, just raise your hand. I am here. I will go and clear your doubt. I hope you guys will follow this rule.
बहुत ज़्यादा ही स्ट्रिक्ट है ये टीचर, चीटिंग नहीं करेंगे तो पास कैसे करेंगे एग्जाम?
Okay, sir.
So before the starting of the exam, if you all have any kind of paper or textbook or any kind of smartphone beside you, please remove them. Because if I find anyone taking help from mobile phone or textbook, then you know what will happen. You will be penalized very badly and your paper may get cancelled. So please be very careful before doing anything.
ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में चीटिंग नहीं करेंगे तो कहाँ चीटिंग करेंगे? और मेरे पास तो फ़ोन और बुक दोनों ही है और मैं नहीं हटा रहा हूँ। देखते हैं कौन पकड़ते हैं मुझे। अच्छे से एग्ज़ाम देना है मुझे।
Now listen carefully. The duration of your English literature paper is 3 hours. I will distribute the paper within 5 minutes. You will get 15 minutes reading time, and after that everybody will start writing. Nobody will start writing during that reading time. If I find anyone writing anything during the reading time, then your whole paper will be cancelled. Mind it. And also one thing, you will not be allowed to go to the washroom during the 3 hours. If anyone wants to go to the washroom, then go. Otherwise, during the exam, if you all tell me, sir, may I go to the washroom, I will not allow you. So please.
ये टीचर इतने ज़्यादा क्यों बोल रहे पता नहीं, लगता है दिमाग ख़राब है इसका। मैं तो टेंशन कर रहा हूँ क्या होगा, लेकिन हाँ चीटिंग तो करूँगा ज़रूर। बिना चीटिंग के पास तो नहीं हो पाऊँगा ना। देखते हैं क्या होते हैं।
Okay, sir.
So students, please listen carefully what I am telling you all now. So your English literature paper will be a 3 hours paper and you will be provided 15 minutes reading time. And during the whole exam, you will not be allowed to go anywhere and you will not be allowed to switch off your camera.
Sir, may I drink water?
I am telling some rules and you are asking me whether to drink water or not. Do you think I am joking here? Please maintain discipline in the class. I am telling you something, please listen that, then you will be allowed to drink water.
Sorry, sir.
And one more thing, during the exam, you all will have to show your room to me after 30 minutes because I need to see if someone is there in your room helping you or you are using any kind of unfair means which is not allowed in an exam. So please make a note of that. Thank you.
हे भगवान, मुझे आज बचा लेना इस राक्षस के हाथ से।
Okay, sir.
So students, I hope everybody has got the question paper and the answer scripts.
Yes, sir. We have got the answer script and question paper also. Yes, sir.
You can start writing now. And one more thing, if you all need any answer script, any extra answer script, then please raise your hand. I am here, I will give you. And remember, you will not be allowed to go anywhere now. You will not be allowed to turn your head left, right, back. All these things are not allowed. Maintain discipline and all the best for your exam. Now you can start writing.
हे भगवान, इतना क्वेश्चन टफ क्यों आए हैं? और अगर हेड टर्न नहीं किए तो चीटिंग कैसे करेंगे? कोई ना कोई उपाय तो निकालना होगा मुझे।
Okay, sir.
So students, I think you all have got the question paper by now. The question paper is uploaded in Google Classroom. In the English literature section, you will find the question paper uploaded. A PDF has been provided for you all.
Yes, sir. The question paper has been uploaded in Google Classroom. I got it. And it's there in the PDF form.
Read the question paper and you will all write all the answers in a long exercise book or any ruled paper. And you will make a PDF of that and send it to the required teacher. And you all have been provided 30 minutes extra for the submission of your answer script. So all the best for your exam. You can start writing. Thank you.
अरे बाप रे, कितना टफ क्वेश्चंस है।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो पता ही नहीं, क्या लिखूं, कुछ याद ही नहीं आ रहा। क्या था। हाँ, काम करूँ, उससे पूछता हूँ अगर हेल्प करे। ये टीचर मेरे तरफ ऐसे क्यों देख रहे, कुछ शक तो नहीं किया? अरे ये दिखाता क्यों नहीं, दिखाना। हाँ।
Hey Avinash, why are you moving your hand like that?
No, sir. Actually, there are so many mosquitoes, and my hand was just paining, so I was just moving like that.
Okay, don't do that anymore. Write properly and sit properly.
Yes, sir. I'm writing.
कितना फालतू दोस्त है मेरा, और देखो इस टीचर को, इसके वजह से तो लगता है फेल कर जाएंगे। अब लगता है मुझे ही कुछ करना होगा। हाँ, एक काम करता हूँ, इसे निकालता हूँ। अब देखता हूँ कि अगर शायद ये कोई मेरा हेल्प कर सके। आजा चीट, आजा मेरे पास। हाँ, आ गया। हाँ, शुक्र है भगवान का, मिल गया ये आंसर। अब यहाँ से लिख देता हूँ और तुम टीचर देखते ही रहो, पकड़ नहीं पाओगे मुझे। हे भगवान, ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है, इसका आंसर तो पता भी नहीं मुझे। क्या होगा। हाँ, एक काम करता हूँ, गूगल में ही देखता हूँ, गूगल ही मुझे हेल्प कर सकता है। थोड़ा सर्च करके देखता हूँ, मिल जाए तो देखते हैं। हाँ, यही तो है आंसर, मिल गया मुझे। अब ये आंसर ही लिख देता हूँ, यही होगा इसका आंसर। ये आंसर लिख के अब कोई चिंता ही नहीं रहेगा मुझे।
चलो, ये तो हो गया। अब क्या करें, दूसरा आंसर कहाँ से देखें?
Okay students, 30 minutes is over. Now you guys will have to show the room in which you are sitting and giving the exam.
इतनी जल्दी 30 मिनट्स हो गया, अब क्या होगा ये भगवान।
So I would like to first start with Arkadeep. Please show.
Yes, sir. I'm showing you. Can you see?
Wait. What is that under your pillow? Like it's form of, I think it's a kind of mobile phone, right? You are using a mobile phone, right?
No, sir. It's not a mobile phone. Actually, it is a chocolate. Actually, I was eating one chocolate. I was like before giving the exam, I felt little bit hungry, so it's a chocolate. It's not a mobile phone.
But it looks like a mobile phone.
हे भगवान, इस फोन को अभी बजना था। अब क्या होगा मेरा, ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में भी पकड़ा गया।
Good job. Keep it up and be ready to face all the consequences.
हेलो। सो आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं कि वो ऐसे पकड़े गए एग्ज़ाम के दौरान, तो उसका क्या होना चाहिए? कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना। और देखा ही तो आई थिंक यू गाइज रियली एंजॉयड वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नॉर्मल एग्जाम एंड ऑनलाइन एग्जाम, नॉर्मल एग्जाम वर्सेस ऑनलाइन एग्जाम. And it was really fun to shoot this type of content for me, and I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this and it was entertaining for you all. So yeah, that's it. Thank you each and everyone for giving your valuable time and watching this video of mine. And also I would request everyone to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also press the thumbs button. And also I'm really thankful to each and everyone for 1k plus subscribers. I am really grateful and thankful. Thank you everyone for so much support and love. So yeah, that's it. That's all for today's video. Until next time, please stay safe, take good care of yourself, wear your mask if you are going out, and also try to stay home if possible until and unless it's necessary. Please don't go out, and also get vaccinated if you are getting the chance. So that's it. Bye bye. See you soon with another new video.